Hello friends, welcome to my class. Now I am going to explain the problems based on the scalar product part 2. So in the previous class we have discussed a few problems based on the same concept. So let us try to do the few more problems on the same concept. Okay. Now let us see if the vectors a bar is equals to ai cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap and b bar is equals to ai cap minus 2j cap minus k cap are perpendicular to each other, then what is the positive value of a? Here we have to find the positive value of a. Okay, before we are going to solve the problem, we need to go through the given values in the problem. Now, what is that? Two vectors are there which are normal to each other, so that we can find the angle between them, that is 90. According to scalar product, a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos 90. Okay, so this total cos 90 is 0, 0 into ab. So from this we can write it as ab cos 90 equal to 0. Okay, so we need to find out what positive value. Let us do the a bar dot b bar. A bar is what? ai cap plus aj cap plus 3k cap dot ai cap minus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, and this one is this one, we have to multiply. Okay, ai dot ai, that is a square plus aj into minus 2j, that is what? Minus 2a, and 3k minus 3k, 3k into minus 3k, that is minus 3. Okay, so that we can write it as like this: a bar dot b bar. This is the answer. Okay, and we need to go through this. What this is? Mod a and mod b. No need to find out the mod a, mod b, that is ab cos 90 equal to what? 0. ab cos 90 is equal to 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to 0. From this we can write it as a square minus 2a minus 3 equal to, this is what? A bar dot b bar is equal to 90. So this is the quadratic form. Okay, we can write it as simply a square minus 3a plus a minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, clear? So this is minus 3a plus a, we can get the minus 2a minus 3a, and we can simply get it. Okay, so that is a is common, then this is what? A minus 3 here plus. Okay, so if 1 is common, a minus equal to 0, then we can write it as a minus 3 into a plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, a equal to, that is a minus 3 equal to 0, a plus 1 equal to 0, then a is equals to 3, a is equals to minus 1. So here in the question they asked what is the positive value of a. Okay, this is the positive value. Which is the positive value? 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer, positive value, because here minus 1 is the negative value. So this is the answer for the first question. Now let us see second question. Okay, the second question is, if theta is the angle between unit vectors a bar and b bar, then 1 minus, this is a bar dot b bar by 1 plus a bar dot b bar is equals to what? Okay, so that is what? 1 minus a bar dot b bar divided by 1 plus a bar dot b bar. This is equal to what? That we need to find out. Okay, so let us try to understand. That is a bar dot b bar is equals to what? ab cos theta. Here A be nothing but what? A be nothing but scalar quantity or only magnitude. That let us consider only 1. So that this is 1 into cos theta, cos theta. A bar dot B bar is equals to what? Cos theta. We can write this is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now one more hint. Okay, so we know that the identity, from the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. From that we can write it as sin square theta is equals to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so that we can write it as 2 sin square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta. 2 cos square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta. So these are the trigonometric formulas which we are going to use in this. Okay, here there is a 1 minus sin theta is there. We have to take this value and divided by 1 plus cos theta is there. We have to use this one. Okay, this is half triangles we can use. This is 1 minus cos theta, nothing but what? 1 minus nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2 by 1 plus cos nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 gets cancelled, and this is what? Sin square theta by 2 divided by cos square theta by 2, that is tan square theta by 2. This is the answer for this question. Okay, now let us see one more question. Okay, let us see third question. If V bar is equals to 3i cap plus 4j cap, then with what scalar C must it be multiplied so that mod CV equal to 7.5 or mod C bar and V bar equal to 7.5. Okay, let us try to solve it. Okay, we need to find this is what? V bar is equals to what? 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 0 k cap. Then mod V bar is equals to what? Square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus 0 square is equals to what? 9 plus 16 equal to, so this is what? 16 plus 9, 25. Okay, that we can write it as 5. From the question, that is mod CV equal to 7.5, here we got this is V value, this is V value is 5, so that we can write it as mod C into this is 5 equal to 7.5. Okay, so why should we use mod? Nothing but even V value we will have the 5 minus 5 value, that must be becomes positive whenever the value is taken for the mod. So here no need to take the mod because we got the value that is positive value, that is 5. Okay, now from this we can write as C is equals to 7.5 by 5, this is 75 by 50, so we can write it as 25 2 is the 25, 3 is the 3 by 2, we can write it as 1.5. C value is 1.5. Okay, so what is the what scalar C? It must be multiplied so that we will get this much. So we can also rectify that whether we can we get this 7.5 or not. Okay, write down this V into C. Okay, V nothing but what? 5. C nothing but 1.5. Okay, so that is equals to must be equal to 7 pi. This is what? 5 5 is a 25, 2, 5 1 is a 5, and this is what? 7 point. Yes, it is correct answer. So C is equals to 1.5.